This is how to make a soil moisture measure and place it on an LCD using this Arduino kit. First, you'll need a DHT11 sensor, which is this blue. And then you'll need 3 male to female wires, 16 male to male wires, an Arduino board, and a device to run the code. First, we'll start with the contrast knob. It has 3 wires. You have a yellow one that goes on the left pin down there. Left pin, and it goes to the positive. You have an orange wire that goes to the right pin that will go to your negative. And then you have a middle pin here that, if you follow the orange, will go to the V0 on the LCD. This allows you, when spinning the knob, to change the contrast of your LCD and allows your text to show up. Next, to make the LCD run, you have this orange wire that goes to your VSS, then to your negative. You have a black wire that goes to the VDD, that then goes to the positive. This orange wire from V0 for the contrast knob. Then next, you have this blue wire that, if you follow all the way through, goes to the 12 on the board by the PWM. Next, you have this yellow wire here that goes to the negative. Then this red wire, if you follow all the way through, should go down to 11. That red wire is connected to your E. The yellow wire was to the RW, and the blue wire was to the RS. You'll skip D0, D1, D2, and D3. Next, from D4, you have another blue wire that then goes all the way down to PWM7, as seen here. You'll do the same for this orange wire. You'll take it from D4 and take it all the way to the PWM6 or PWM4. Next, you'll take the yellow wire at D6, follow it all the way through, and you take it to PWM3. Then you'll take the D7 wire and run that all the way through to PWM2. Now you have your A cable here, which is my orange one. That runs to a resistor with the white line facing towards the LCD going to the positive. Then you have your K, which goes all the way to the negative. Next, we'll start with the DHT11 sensor. You have this yellow wire, which is the VCC, running all the way down to positive. You'll have your brown wire, which is your ground, and that goes down to the negative. Then your green wire, which is your SDA, go to A0 onto your board. Next, the Arduino, you have this red wire going to the positive and the blue wire going to the negative that allows the power to the LCD. Then when you have all that set up, you run the Arduino code. You can upload it doing that, and all of this will be linked inside the GitHub. Once you have it loaded, you will start up the other code here. You'll start this code that will also be inside of the GitHub. It is a Python. This is running a local AI model to give you 1 to 3 tips based on your soil moisture level and based on what flower type. So I have rose, tulip, and sunflower. I'll type in 1 for rose. And as it runs, it'll show you your soil moisture level. It'll tell you if it's too dry, too wet, or perfect. And since my computer is slow, it will take a second. But it will upload an AI tip using that local AI model and tell you things you can do to improve.